Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia, and today I'm here with a simple eyebrow tutorial. This is what I do on a regular basis when I'm doing my makeup. So here we go. The first thing I'm gonna do is take my ABH, that's Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in Ebony. So I'm taking my spoolie and brushing my hairs upward, and then I'm gonna go in with a angled brush. I got this brush from Morphe Brushes in the bronze collection. I'm just dipping it into my pomade, and then I'm gonna go on the back of my hand and make sure there isn't too much product, because this pomade can look really black, but it's really like a deep dark brown color. But if there's too much, it's gonna come off as black. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm outlining my brow. So you guys, if you have like a thin eyebrow, I would say that you guys can go with any shape that you want. But if you have like a thick eyebrow, then I'll say just go with your natural brow shape. Overall, yes, I think you should just go with your natural brow shape. It's what defines your face anyways. That's how God made you. But yeah, I'm just outlining my brow, and then I'm gonna go in and fill it in. At times I would do strokes to fill it in, and then sometimes when I'm being lazy, I'll just shade it in. Either way, it still comes out decent enough. With the product that is left on the brush, I'll just go in the front and diffuse the front. I don't want to put a strong color at the front, because you still want your brows to look as natural as possible as it could be. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm doing the other brow off camera. However, you guys, I cannot state this enough. Your brows are not twins, they are sisters. So they're not gonna look identically the same. Alright, but they must look a little bit close. They must look somewhat the same. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and this is 2 shades lighter than my complexion. And you want to go 2 to 3 shades lighter when you're doing a underbrow highlight. So what I do is I mainly start from the middle. I rarely start from the front. So I go and I make my arch, or I do whatever goes with that day. Okay. After I'm finished with that back half, I proceed to the front and I conceal. I also love to drag my concealer downwards so that it blends into my whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow, it blends more and it's more seamless to me. So you guys, when you're outlining and cleaning up the top of your brows, you want to go with the same exact foundation shade you are, or you go 1 shade darker. I'm using Toast from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this brush I got it from Amazon, and it's a really big angled brush. I usually do like 1 swipe from the front to the back, but it depends on the type of brush that I'm using. Right now I'm just looking into a mirror and I'm just going straight down. Okay, Then you guys can go ahead and tweak if you want it more slimmer. You just go down. Yeah, that's basically it. Just as I would drag the concealer downwards underneath my brows, I'll do the same thing and drag it upwards onto my forehead, and then I'll go in with my fingers, or I'll use a blending brush and blend out everything so it could look seamless. Yeah, right now I'm just using my finger, and I'm so sorry guys for the finger that I choose to use. I had no idea until I was doing this voiceover. This is so funny. I'm so sorry, but I'm just blending it out with my fingers. I tend to like to use my fingers because it warms up the product a little bit more than using the brush. So guys, when the blending is finished, I usually take the same brush that I use to conceal my brows, and I go with light strokes at the front of my brows with no product on it, just what is remaining, and then I go in with a spoolie and brush it out. This helps to make my brows look a little bit more realistic, like it diffuses the front of my brows so it looks more like a real brow and not drawn on. You know, because girl, we need that realistic look. Okay, next I'm going in with my Wet n Wild brow gel, and this I use to lay my hairs on my brow. Okay, they need to be laid down flat. Nothing should be sticking up or sticking out. So this is what I use. You know what I said? Yeah. So guys, if it's just a brow day, you should always set your brow with powder. Okay, right now I'm going to do a makeup look, so I will not be setting my brow. I'm doing this look and it's up on my channel, you guys. Link will be in the description. But this is it. This is our simple brow day. This is our simple brow tutorial. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Okay, I will catch you later. All right, later on some new videos. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.